welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to withdraw money in Zengo wallet. For that, make sure you already have the application on your device and you are logged into your account. Now, before entering, you need to enter your passcode. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. At the bottom, you can see two arrow facing upward and downward icon. You need to tap over there. Now at the fourth, you can see the option sale. Tap over there. Now here you can see all the cryptocurrency. You can choose any of them. For this video, I will go for Coinify. Now here you need to enter the amount that you want to sell and they will show you the amount that you will be getting. Now enter the amount. After you are done entering the amount that you want to sell, all you need to do is tap on continue. Now here you need to enter your email and your password. In case if you don't have your account, then you can tap on create new account option at the bottom. Now here you will be given two options, personal account or corporate account. You need to tap on the first one, personal account. Now here you need to enter your credential, that is your email address and your password and your residence country. After filling your credential, you need to tap on the option I agree to Coinify's terms and condition and privacy policy. And below that, there is another option I agree that Coinify can send me emails with account related material such as reports, guides and surveys. Now all you need to do is agree on that option. After that, you need to tap on create account. Now a verification code will be sent to your email, so make sure to go to your email account and check the verification code. Now all you need to do is copy the code, go back and again paste the code. Now tap on continue. After that, you need to fill down some credentials, that is your address. Fill out your current address and citizenship to complete your personal profile. After you are done entering your credentials, you can simply tap on continue. And once everything is verified, you will be able to withdraw money into your bank account. And this is how you can withdraw your money in Zengo wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.